A couple eating a romantic meal by candlelight reportedly found a 5-inch-long dead bird in their salad. James and Jasmine Watson made the grisly find after dishing up a pre-packed baby leaf salad with their steak and chips. Mr. Watson started tucking in before spotting the soggy remains on his plate. Tesco said the bird was a black-cap European warbler usually found in Spain and Italy and offered the couple £200 compensation. Sales director Mr. Watson, 32, said took 3 mouthfuls and then saw it. "My first reaction was, why have I got a soggy fish cake on my plate? But then I saw its beak and realized it was a full-size dead bird." Dialysis, we couldn't believe it. We both got off our stools and stood there in utter amazement for at least 2 minutes. We only had a few low lights on, so we were effectively eating by candlelight. The £1.50 salad marked dialysis washed and ready to eat dialysis on the bag had been ordered online before being delivered by Tesco. Mr. Watson added he and his wife had gone out for a dialysis or few drinks on a Friday evening before returning home to prepare dinner. The next morning he went straight to their local branch of Tesco in Yate, South Gloucestershire, and the store manager later visited their home with a bottle of wine and some flowers. Tesco, which was this week voted Britain's worst supermarket by customers, has apologised to the couple and offered them a £200 gift card. But Mr. Watson said the offer is insulting and says he has no plans to shop at Tesco again. "I would really like someone from Tesco to sit down and explain me how an animal so large got into a bag of salad," said. "The magnitude of this was disgraceful and I find the offer of compensation a bit of an insult."